2026 reports from LinkedIn suggests around 50 to 55% of AI job demand right now is outside the tech industry. That means most of the money being made from AI skills belongs to marketers, accountants, HR managers, and operations leads, not engineers. Every video you've seen about learning AI was made for people who already code. This one is not. If you are a non-technical professional asking whether AI is worth your time, stay until the 4-minute mark. That is where I tell you exactly which level to aim for and why getting this wrong wastes months. This video is for professionals who have real jobs and no coding background. You will learn what the wage premium data actually means for someone in your position. You will leave with one concrete action, not a list of 15 things to do. If you want straight answers about AI without the hype, hit subscribe. That is what this channel does. You have probably seen the stat. Workers with AI skills earn 56% more. That number is real. PwC pulled it from nearly 1 billion job ads across 6 continents. But here's what the headline skips. At entry level, the premium is 6%. At senior level, it exceeds 70%. The 56% is an average across everyone. It is not your number on day one. This matters because a lot of content online sells you the 56% and implies you'll get there in 3 months. You will not. What you can get in 3 months is a real productivity edge in your current job. That edge compounds. Over 18 months, workers who formally acquired AI skills in their existing role saw salary uplifts of 8 to 12%. That is from Hays 2026 salary data. That is not life-changing, but it is real, it is verifiable, and it is achievable without quitting your job or learning Python. Do not let someone sell you the 70% when you are starting at 6%. The World Economic Forum published its top 10 skills for 2025 to 2030. Number 1, analytical thinking. Number 2, resilience. Number 3, leadership. Not Python, not machine learning, not prompt engineering. The professionals earning the most from AI right now are not people who learned AI first. They are people who combined AI with 5 or 10 years of domain expertise. A marketing director who understands AI tools plus her industry is worth more than an AI engineer who has never run a campaign. A finance manager who uses AI for modeling plus understands the business is irreplaceable. An HR leader who automates screening while keeping human judgment is what every growing company needs. Your domain is not a weakness you need to overcome before you can learn AI. Your domain is the entire point. AI without context produces average output. AI plus deep domain knowledge produces the output that gets promoted. You are not a developer who needs to catch up. You are a domain expert who needs a new multiplier. Quick question. What would it mean for your career if you could do in 1 hour what currently takes you 8? That is the real question, not will AI replace me. There are 3 tiers of AI learning. Most people try to aim for tier 3 and burn out before they finish week 2. Tier 1, AI user. You use tools like Claude, Copilot, or Perplexity to do your job faster. You write good prompts, you know when to trust the output and when to check it. You do not write code, you do not build anything. This tier takes 2 to 4 weeks. It is where most non-technical professionals belong right now. And according to Lightcast data, simply being in this tier already puts you in a job posting category that pays $28,000 more per year on average in the US. Tier 2, AI power user. You automate workflows using no-code tools. You connect AI to your existing software, your CRM, your spreadsheets, your email. You start making AI do things your company doesn't even know is possible yet. This tier takes 2 to 4 months. This is where the 8 to 12% salary uplift lives for most non-technical professionals. Tier 3, AI builder. You write Python, you integrate APIs, you build tools from scratch. This takes 6 months minimum if you're starting from zero. The rewards are real, but this is not for everyone, and forcing yourself into tier 3 when tier 1 would solve your actual problem is how people waste a year. Match your tier to your goal, not to whatever sounds most impressive. One more number before we get to what to do. LinkedIn's 2026 data shows 76% of employers can't fill AI roles right now due to skills gaps. This is not a saturated market. This is a shortage. Here is the one action that matters if you are at tier 1. Pick a task at your job that takes more than 2 hours and has a predictable output. A summary, a report, a first draft, a data review, any of them. Use an AI tool, Claude, ChatGPT, Copilot, whatever you have access to do a version of that task. Do not aim for perfect, aim for done-ish. Then spend the time you saved making the result better. Do that 5 times this week. Track the time you save. That is not a learning exercise. That is a career experiment with a measurable result. If you save 2 hours on 5 tasks, that is 10 hours. Documented, that is a performance review conversation. That is leverage. One more thing. Tool knowledge expires fast. The specific apps people are recommending today look different 6 months from now. LangChain's API changed 3 times in 2024 and 25 alone. What does not expire? Knowing how to think about what AI can and cannot do. That mental model transfers across every tool that comes next. Learn the principle, not just the platform. The people most at risk from AI are not the ones who know nothing about it.
They are the ones who know enough to be replaced by a tool, but not enough to direct one. The people who are safe are not AI engineers. They are domain experts who use AI faster and better than anyone in their field. You already have half of what the market needs. You are one tier away from the other half. Learning AI is worth it, but only once you know which tier of AI learning your goal actually requires. If you want to see how non-technical professionals are actually building AI into their workday, watch my 90-day AI roadmap. It shows real achievable learning milestones, no coding required. Subscribe for more content on AI for professionals. No hype, no code, just what works.